Assalamualaikum. Welcome to database management course. Today I will show you how to install XAMPP in a Linux machine. So first I have to go to a browser and search for XAMPP. So it's here. Just click on the download button and go for XAMPP. The latest version 8.2 and click download. It will automatically download. If it doesn't, then I will click here. So let's see. Whatever, I don't need to wait. If okay, here it's come and it's a .run file, so I have to first make it a executable file by chmod and then just simply run by sudo, that means by admin. So I don't save it. You will save it because you don't install it or you don't download it. So let's go to terminal and I will go to or move to the directory where I downloaded. So media slash x slash I create a folder named Ubuntu Soft where I save my actually files and XAMPP here, and the ls command. So you see here my .run file. I have to make it executable. So chmod plus x and the file, so run, and it is built for execution. And I will now just sudo /execute. Okay, so it will ask for password. Actually I install it once, so I don't want to waste time. So Ctrl C, you will do it, and appropriately you need to just press Y for ensuring that you are permitting your machine to install the software. So now we can create a link or something like at the term. Actually by binary in the user local binary file you can create a link to open it, or otherwise you can just sudo because you need admin privilege, then /opts and here lamp, and then lamp. This lamp is actually the XAMPP of Linux system, so it installed in lamp convention. So just status, as I have already installed it, so it's okay. So here you can see that XAMPP for Linux, Apache is running, MySQL is running, and Pro FDP is deactivated. I deactivated it because it's not necessary. Now let's see the term user interface of XAMPP. So I create a simple link called XAMPP, and if I run it, it will automatically run the manager for Linux, something like that. So where is that? So move to the files and you see the home. I will go to the root directory here. So other document Ubuntu is the root, and opt the installed file, and lamp. Here you see all the files necessary for our XAMPP. Here the MySQL, and here's the another one, Apache. So you can see Apache 2 here. So you can create a short link for it. Here the lamp, it's the main file which is actually run like a lamp.txt. is something bash file. So you can just simply create a link for it in the where I show you where user then local and bin file. So here the XAMPP is here. So just by running the XAMPP, it will turn me to this file or this window. So here I can see MySQL database is running, Apache web server is also running. You can stop it or restart it from this panel, and you can also restart it like you just want to refresh, etc. So for running my phpMyAdmin, you need the Apache web server, which is a socket provider for XAMPP by which actually in here we can just localhost and it show us XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB, PHP, Perl, etc. Lots of things. So the phpMyAdmin is not now invalid. Because why invalid? I don't maybe run MySQL server or database, but it's running. Okay, so start it. Let's see what happened. I wish this time it will run, because MySQL is my database and Apache is my provider. So restart and boom, it's running. Here is currently now in the server, and here the SQL terminal. Also we can run various way. Control C for closing past window. So here I can run like MySQL. So just sudo opt, I just upward, and here MySQL something MySQL command not found. Actually I forgot it. Lots of commands, it's hard to remember. Let's search for Google, search in the Google, and here I have ChatGPT, sorry, GitHub. Okay, so you can just simply get instruction from here, like a XAMPP installation guide. I followed it, so you can also follow it. Also you can go to ask Ubuntu, ask Ubuntu, and press your post your issue here. So it's very easy, it's not hard to install. So here maybe MySQL terminal uses. Yes, I used it past. So what to do? Okay, this way. Like I need the user actually. Hyphen u, you hear the name. So I go to root, and the p means password. So when I use the p and enter, it says that command not found. Why? What the problem? So sudo apt bin. Oh, I missed the bin. The binary file. So now it's looking for my password. I enter my password and it's now in MariaDB. So it's actually the MySQL. So I can do here all the codes like create database database, name something, informat information, the comma. So here it's done, and show database, show databases, sorry, so here you can see the database demo db information scheme. This information is that information which I just created. Where is that? Here, the database of named information, this one. Okay, so just from here we can control C to exit. That means I've routed. Here smart system to log out, which is exit command, and it will say buy, which is very funny, whatever. So now go to the XAMPP, sorry, phpMyAdmin, not XAMPP. So here you can create database and something. Here create database a name like my name Mahi. So control enter is the shortcut. You can also use the go button, like here the go button. So today is for all. I will show you some elaborate videos on the database management system. I will show how to operate CRUD, like create, update, delete, and read, etc. So that's the basic operations you need. You can also follow me in GitHub. Here I already posted some of the informations like InfoBD API. It's a basic CRUD, simple CRUD, or you can do the Mudir Dukan CRUD. It's funny, whatever. So you can see the routes. So routes.go. So here you can see that get item. So the get commands, get requests. So the get request done the read, actually the read from database. So it's not necessary to understand right now. In the future video we can explain it, and explain it very well. And the post video, which means I create something in the database, the put request, by which we can do update something and delete, remove something from database. So all will come in step by step. So first we need to learn how the database run, the SQL process of database management system, etc. So until then, I hope you all will stay safe, stay healthy and hearty, and pray for me so that I can provide the modules to you. So that's all for today, and it's a part of my course of database management system of my university. So it will help me something like sharing knowledges with other of my friends. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.